My beloved child, hear my voice as it speaks to your heart today. You are called to a purpose far greater than you can imagine. A path I have set before you, radiant with my glory. Yet I see the battles you face, the silent struggles that weigh upon your soul. Know this, the temptations you encounter, particularly the pull of lust, are not a mark of your failure, but a sign of your divine calling. The enemy prowls, seeking to dim the light I have placed within you, but I am with you, and my strength is greater than any force that opposes you. Consider the story of Miriam, a woman I chose to lead my people in worship, whose voice carried my truth through song. She faced moments of weakness, drawn to fleeting desires that promised comfort, but led only to emptiness. Like her, you may feel the intensity of temptation, a fire that seems to burn brighter because of the destiny I have placed upon you. The enemy knows your potential, child. He sees the power of your prayers, the impact of your words, and the love you are meant to share with the world. He targets you not because you are weak, but because you are mine, marked for greatness in my kingdom. This battle is not merely of the flesh, it is a spiritual contest for your soul's purpose. As I spoke through my servant Paul, your struggle is not against flesh and blood, but against the unseen forces that seek to derail my plans for you. Lust is a cunning weapon, crafted to distract you, to cloud your vision, and to pull you from the path I have ordained. Yet I have equipped you to stand firm. When you feel the weight of temptation, know that I am near, offering you the strength to resist and the grace to rise again if you stumble. Why do these struggles feel so fierce? First, your heart is sensitive to my spirit, attuned to the eternal. This gift makes you a target, for the enemy seeks to twist your sensitivity into a snare. Like a musician whose ear discerns every note, you feel temptations pull more keenly because of your closeness to me. Second, the path I have set for you often leads through solitary places. Think of Daniel, who stood alone in prayer while surrounded by a culture that opposed my truth. In your solitude, the enemy whispers lies, offering counterfeit comfort. But I call you to seek fellowship, to surround yourself with those who will lift you up in prayer and hold you accountable in love. Third, the higher I call you, the fiercer the opposition. The enemy knows that your obedience can change lives, heal brokenness, and bring my light into the darkest places. He uses lust to drain your strength, to keep you focused on fleeting pleasures rather than eternal purposes. Fourth, the wounds you carry, rejection, loss, or betrayal, can become doorways for temptation. Like Jacob, who wrestled with his past before he could embrace my promise, you must bring your pain to me. I am the healer, ready to mend every broken place so that the enemy's lies find no foothold. Finally, know that your human frailty is not a flaw, but a reminder of your need for me. Your gifts are powerful, but your flesh is weak. Without me, the battle is overwhelming, but with me, victory is assured. Strengthen your spirit through prayer, immerse yourself in my word, and fast to draw closer to my heart. These disciplines are your armor, shielding you from the enemy's schemes. Child, you are not alone in this struggle. Across generations, my chosen ones have faced the same trials. Esther, called to save her people, wrestled with desires that threatened to pull her from my purpose. Yet she sought me, and I gave her the courage to stand. You too can overcome. Confess your struggles to me, for I am faithful to forgive. Seek out those who will walk beside you, not to judge but to support. Let my spirit guide you, transforming your heart and renewing your mind. The enemy's goal is to keep you bound, but my power is greater. I have overcome the world, and in me you will find freedom. Rise, my child, and walk in the purpose I have given you. Let my love be your anchor, my truth your shield, and my grace your strength. You're called to shine, to bring hope to the hopeless, and to reflect my glory. Do not let shame or fear hold you back. Step forward today, renewed in my spirit, and commit to the battle with courage. Share this message with another soul who needs to hear it, for in lifting others, you will find strength for your own journey. Walk boldly, for I am with you always.